Well, good morning, YouTubers. This is Steve Velocity, and just wanted to give you an update on the chicken coop. Went out yesterday and it was supposed to rain, but it didn't, and so I got a really nice day. Actually was able to bring this thing up a lot. You notice that I got the nesting box to the left there, and then of course I was able to make a couple doors. And so let me just show you the nesting box. It's actually pretty sturdy. The nesting box can actually, I think my wife said that you only need, for like 6 chickens you can have 2, because chickens are social enough to share and that kind of thing. So anyway, I've never done that before. I never built something like this before, so I sort of just actually like the way it came out. I've got this thing ready now for my wife to paint. It's dried in as far as that goes, and she's going to put some latches here, and I still have to frame this out this morning. I'm actually going to build a door for the back maintenance area. But let me show you some features here. This is going to have sand in it, and you'll notice that I have a lip here and I have a lip in there like so, and that's going to allow my wife to put whatever she needs in here. She may go with something different, I'm not sure, but at least now I know that it will hold whatever it is. And just a basic roof, and you'll see how in here I went ahead and framed it out with 2x4s. That way screws wouldn't stick through. Definitely don't want the chickens to become injured, because if one becomes injured, the others will peck it to death basically and kill it. Wherever it's wounded, they'll just keep working that wound. So anyway, it looks like a nice cozy little area for 2 chickens. And then you see, got it closed in. We're going to have to weatherproof this, and as far as for the winters, it's going to be a little drafty, so we're going to have to figure something out. I don't own a table saw, so I'm not really able to do the truest cuts. What I might end up doing once I get a table saw is make some better doors. So, but for right now, in the summertime and the fall, that's not going to be an issue as far as that goes. So once again, she's going to paint this thing today, and once she paints it, it's going to look really cool. Now this is the vent basically. In the summertime that's going to be open, and in the wintertime it's going to be closed. Now chickens can handle, you know, cold weather, but if it's drafty they can die. So this is the little door I made there. We trimmed it out and that kind of thing. So really happy with the way this is turning out. I didn't think I could do stuff like this. I just take my time. That's the best thing when it comes to doing projects like this. Split a couple boards, learn the value of whenever you're putting something together, to go ahead and do drill pilot holes first. That works very, very well, and then you put the screws in, and you don't have to drill fast, you can drill slow. Depending on the type of wood that you use. Like this trim wood here was really easy to split right here, and so I'd have to drill a pilot hole first before I'd put the screws in. Especially on the nesting box here, this particular plywood was exceptionally able to split if I wasn't really careful. So it's very sturdy though, and I went ahead and caulked right along in here and on the top, just to give it some weatherproofing, because as you can see, we might have to figure out a way to keep water from going up under there. I've got tar paper under there, a little overhang here, but if there's a driving rain across this way, you know, like that, then this might have a tendency to leak. So we might have to put something right here to sort of shield that. All the things you do to a chicken coop are really easy. What you do is you just build it and hopefully do a fairly decent job of building it, and then you can work on the little issues that, you know, are definitely going to be there, because it's just a chicken coop. It's rough lumber, it's rough carpentry, you know. It's not, you know, 5-star hotel for sure, but my wife thinks it's cool. She thinks it's a nice looking little chicken coop. So that's where it is. That's what it is. I'll have some pictures today that's going to show it painted, and the back door is going to be hung, and then now we can start working on the actual chicken run. I went ahead and painted the 21 2x4s and put like 2 or 3 coats of that white paint on there, and so we'll probably start working on that sometime next weekend. So there she is. Like if you like, and subscribe if you feel like you want to. And thanks for watching and keeping up on what our project is. Well, Ski Velocity out, and have a great day.